Hey guys, so okay, for this Alex lady, she would like to have her premium to be referred as j.ca website. So basically, we are going to follow this website to create her own website. So basically, we will need menu 2 with these two logos that is already here. So that's okay. Regarding the photos, please use the photos that she sent, and let's go with the search bar instead of these buttons here. Then feature listings, let's have these listings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say these 6 listings here. This community with her own communities. And when it comes to these services, now we will have these 4 calculators, monthly newsletter. Now buy, sell, it can be a 1, just buy/sell, and she will send the contact for that. Then she pre-constructions, remove it. Digital coffee, keep it. Staging, remove it. She doesn't need that. When it comes to her about section, let's have her photo a little bit smaller with the text that she's going to send. And it should look like, let me just give you an example. Oh man, I think I have her example here. Yeah, Master Financial. Okay, so this should be something like this, very similar. So she in the middle, it doesn't have to be in this, let's call it circle. It can be you can place her in a circle, whatever you want, but it needs to be a smaller, and the text needs to be very, very clear there. Then she wants these parts chat with us, which we don't have, but I will check with her if she has a code. There is get your real estate, contact us. Maybe that could be, this one can be here. Maybe that could be here, and this we can remove to the bottom, so it will look nicer. Join our mailing list. We can have that section maybe somewhere on the website below services or something like that. Chat, nothing. Quick inquiry and all of that stuff. I will check. Join our mailing list. You see where it is? So maybe it can be on her website, maybe on the somewhere here, or maybe even here below, whatever you want to try, the button. And yes, that should be it. When it comes to the colors, this should be the colors as her mortgage website. So let's go with those colors. And I think that's it. If you need any more clarification, just let me know. Thanks.